Hello my friends. So it has been a while since I last been on camera, but here we are now. So as you can see from today's title, I am doing a little support small businesses type of section. It has been a long time since I last did one. Like I think it was back in 2021 or 2022, early 2022. I'm not totally sure. I'll probably link it somewhere here so you guys can watch it. I mentioned a bunch of amazing small businesses, and this time around I'm doing another round. Also with the upcoming concert season, we want to be stylish, we want to be cute, and I feel like some of these items are definitely perfect for concerts. Let me just go ahead and show you everything. So I actually waited for a few packages to arrive in the mail before I like filmed this video, so there's gonna be a lot of stuff, but you know, bear with me. But yeah, in the comment section, let me know which concerts you're going to soon. I'm going to CIX next week and then Stray Kids the week after, and I am so excited. And then also your boy is going to Korea again. But yeah, I'm going mid-April, so I will definitely be vlogging that, and I will most likely be filming another pack with me. But when we come back from Korea, it is literally going to be August G season. Me and Elisa will be there. You saw how chaotic it was getting tickets, so I'll probably leave that here too so you guys can watch it. But yeah, there are so many concerts lined up and I am not ready, and my wallet is currently crying, just like me. Anyways, let's just get on with the haul. So the first package is from Mags Create, or Maggie on Instagram. Maggie, if you're watching this, thank you so much for like sending me these items. She makes such cute like stationery for like BTS and a few other groups as well, and also she started doing like photo card holders, so I'm excited. Oh my god. So like I said, she started making photo card holders, and these ones are for Jin. These are what they look like. Oh my god, I am so excited to use these. Oh my god, Maggie, shut up. This is so cute. So this is a little decal that you could put on your car. I most likely will be putting this on my car, but it has RJ and We'll Talk. Oh my god. And then continuing on with the astronaut theme, she went for memo pads, and oh my gosh, I love these. So this is the keychain version of the little memo note. I am in love. Stop it right now. It's in the shape of the army bomb. Are you kidding me? Oh my god. And then she also went ahead and sent me a few Jin washi tapes. So, oh my gosh, I'm definitely gonna be using these for like trades. But yeah, if you're in need of like stationery and also photo card holders, be sure to check out her shop. I'll definitely have everything listed down below, and also leave her IG right here so you guys can follow. But yeah, Maggie, thank you so much. So the next item comes from my lovely friend Monocha Shop, or Julie. Julie, if you're watching this, I love you and I miss you so much. But if you guys are looking for like subtle BTS merch or like apparel or stationery, definitely check her shop out. So if you don't follow Julie already, these are the type of tote bags that she makes, and these are such high quality. But it just says for youth, and this is BTS related, and I like that it's so big, so you can fit so much in here. Like you can just use this like for an everyday like bag. Also it has like a little zipper, so you don't have to worry about anything falling out. But like look at the amount of space that's in here. Oh my god. But I am obsessed with her tote bags, and she has various amounts of designs on her shop, so be sure to check it out. Aside from the tote bag, she's also released photo card holders as well. So these are just two of the designs that she has, but this one is, I believe, for Winter Bear. But this is what the back of it looks like, and then we have Taehyung in the front, so cute. And this one has like hearts, and then on the back it just says still with you, and this is for JK. But yeah, like I said, if you're looking for that subtle BTS merch, definitely check her shop out. Oh my god, I keep kicking my desk. I don't know why I keep doing that, but I need to stop. Next small business that I definitely want to give a shout out to is, I hope I'm not butchering it, Unuilin. I'll probably just leave their username here, but they make really cute like photo card holders. They released some tickets for upcoming concerts, and I had to get some, so it just arrived in the mail, and I'm so excited to see them. Oh my god. Shut up. TXT and NCT Dream are coming soon, so she released like tickets that she designed herself, and these are like Sanrio themed. So like when I saw them, I was like, bitch, I kind of need these, so I got them. But the first one, oh, look at how pretty this is. Oh my god, Subin, Love that man. Oh my god, it low-key just like matches like my sweater right now. Okay, cute. This one is just like cinema roll theme with Subin, and then on the back it just has his name. And also they released a photo card that matches the picket, and let me just show you the Subin one. This is like the new Subin R PC. But like he has the middle finger up, but it's obviously supposed to be a peace sign, but I think it was like a manufacturing error. But okay, iconic, love it. And then the second one is for the Dreamies, and if you guys didn't know, Jamin is my bias, so I had to get one for him as well. Oh my gosh, look at how pretty this is. Look at how pretty he is. And then this is the back, but oh my god, I am literally gonna be bringing these to the concerts and just gonna be fanning myself because I know I'm gonna be sweating. So these are definitely perfect. I believe they're still available on their website, so definitely be sure to check them out. They also have the rest of the members, so if you guys are interested, be sure to check their shop out. But these are so cute and perfect for the concert season. All right, moving on to this last bag of items, and these are from shops that were at my recent event for Berry Sweet 1 for Jungwon. I hosted a cup sleeve event for his birthday. Thank you to everyone that stopped by. I honestly wasn't expecting that many people to show up because I always have so much anxiety when it comes to like hosting events, because I'm always like with the mindset of like, oh my god, are people gonna show up? Are they gonna want to come? I don't know, but definitely a lot of people came through, and also with the amazing vendors and the volunteers and the workers at the Korean Rose. Y'all did that and y'all made it an amazing event, and thank you so much. I seriously couldn't have done it without you. Another event for the books. I had so much fun and I can't wait for more events soon. Definitely make sure to follow my event page. I'll probably like leave the info here. But anyways, I had vendors at my event and I obviously wanted to support all of them, so I bought a few things from each of their shops and I'm gonna be showing you guys. So the first one, like I said, CIX is coming soon and I really needed like fan merch and like cute little support goodies. So, but this is from BGME Studios. I think that's how you pronounce it. I am probably butchering it. They make amazing like slogans, fabric slogans. But yeah, I ended up getting one for Youngie. Oh my god, he looks so cute. But I love the aesthetic. And then on the back, it just has his name. Is it? Oh, it is backwards.
Dumb bitch.
Yeah, it just has his name on the back. And then they also threw in a few little pictures of Youngie. And I also want to get one of Hyunsuk because he's my bias in CIX, but like Youngie is my wrecker. But let me know if you guys are also going to CIX, because if you see me, let's meet up, let's fangirl over our biases. But I am so excited. And I most likely will be vlogging that, so stay tuned for that vlog as well. I also have another one from their shop because I'm literally so obsessed with their slogans. Okay, so this is another one. Don't mind the mess that is on my bed right now, but this is another slogan that I got from them. This one is of Win-Win because I love that man so much.
Oh my god.
So why do I keep zooming in on myself, bitch? Okay, perfect. Okay. But yeah, if you guys are in need of like fabric slogans to bring to concerts, definitely check out their shop. They make really cute ones and they have one for a lot of groups. So definitely make sure to check them out and support them. I also decided to get some light stick bows, and this is from Heartjohn. Oh my god, her light stick bows. Literally such an aesthetic. They're like very like pastel, which is like the vibes that I tend to go for, and she like adds like cute little like pearls and everything to them. So definitely check out her shop, Jasmine, if you're watching this.
I am obsessed with your shit.
Okay, but like, can we talk about like how oh, these are just like so intricate and so nice. Like, oh my god, excuse me. These are so pretty. So this is one of the bows that I got. This one is just pink and white, and I love the little detailing right here. And this one is in yellow and white with a bit of like blue. But yeah, I think I plan on using this for my CIX light stick. So actually, let me go ahead and put it on right now. So I actually got my CIX light stick a few days ago, and I am so excited to open it. So I think it will definitely go well with this light stick bow. I personally love decorating my light sticks for concerts, so I think adding like a little bow is just like a great touch to it. Anyways, we have CIX's light stick here. So I like that with her light stick bows, it has like a little elastic band on the back, so you can literally fit it onto any light stick. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm so excited to be using this. Literally check out her shop if you guys are in need of light stick bows for the upcoming concert season. But oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Next shop that I want to shout out is borashop. They make amazing merch for BTS. I ended up getting one of these bags. Oh my god, this is so iconic, and I think this is definitely perfect for the upcoming concert season, August-y. So it's basically like a little mesh like tote bag that you could use for the concert, but it just says Bangtan on the front, and then on the side it comes with a little like purple purple heart, which I think is so cute as a little accessory. But you can pretty much fit your light stick, and it also comes with an additional handbag strap, so we love that. And it also comes in purple, but definitely make sure to check out their website. They also went ahead and gave me a few other items from their shop, which they didn't need to. Oh my god, y'all are the sweetest. But these are just some socks from their shop, and this one is in black, and it has like the members on there. And then I believe this is like a little bookmark stationery set, and obviously we had to get Jin because the man, the love of my life. But yeah, if you're looking for more BTS related merch, be sure to check out their shop. I will have everything, like I said, linked in the description box below. But yeah, make sure to check them out. And then the last shop that I want to give a shout out to is from one of my amazing friends, Celine. Celine, if you're watching this, I love you. She also makes like really cute pins for like multiple groups, and then she also released like a few other like concert necessities. So we all know that I love pickets. This is like a regular size picket. This is Celine's picket. Oh my god, this is so cute. But this one is just for Songhwa. He's my bias in 80s, so I had to get this one. But yeah, she designed this herself, and then on the back it just has his name, but she also has one for the rest of the members. So the next time ATEEZ comes on tour, I will most likely be bringing this with me. I also ended up getting these picket covers that she released recently, and these are definitely perfect for like protecting your pickets when you're like going to concerts, because like you could get water on it or something and you don't want it to get damaged. So I think that these picket covers are definitely essential. This is what it looks like with Unailin's picket of Jaemin, and oh my gosh, this is okay, everything. So like I said, it's definitely gonna protect your pickets, so definitely get some.
Protect your pickets.
But yeah, that pretty much wraps up my little small business haul. I just wanted to give some support and love to all of these amazing shops that I truly love shopping at. But yeah, I will go ahead and leave all their info in the description box below, so you guys can go ahead and check them out as well. But yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys would like to see more videos like this, or let me know in the comments what other type of videos you would like to see, make sure to follow me on my social media, Instagram and TikTok. Y'all know the deal already. But I hope that you all are doing well, and I will see you guys in the next video. All right, bye friends.
You've been on my mind lately, I tell you all the time.